Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Volvo Motorhome. External, modern and aerodynamic. To lessen wind resistance, the body lines will be extremely aerodynamic, modeled after Volvo's high-end trucks and buses. Adaptive LED lighting. Volvo will incorporate adaptive LED technology into its iconic headlights. A panoramic view of the outside will be unhindered by the large windows along the sides. A touch-sensitive or automated opening system will be installed at the main door. There will be cleverly constructed external storage spaces that blend in perfectly with the body. Interior. Superior materials. Volvo quality will be reflected in the use of very high-end materials. Kitchen. Full-size refrigerator, freezer, integrated microwave, convection oven, 2 or 3 burner induction cooktop, spacious sink with contemporary water tap. The layout of the kitchen storage will be really effective. Premium linens and memory foam mattresses will be included with the beds. With a sofa that doubles as an extra bed and a dining table that can be folded up or enlarged, the living room will be flexible. Intelligent ambient lighting and LED ambient lighting system that may be customized. Hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Volvo is probably going to provide a powertrain choice that combines an electric motor with an efficient diesel or gasoline engine. Recycled diesel. A clean and extremely efficient Euro 6/7 diesel engine will be used if there is a pure diesel alternative. All-electric option potential. Given Volvo's dedication to complete electrification, an all-electric model may be available in the future. However, hybrids are probably going to be the primary focus in 2026. Integrated Sensus Infotainment System. The navigation, entertainment, and other motorhome features will be controlled by a sizable touchscreen. Complete connectivity. All devices will remain connected and charged thanks to an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, 5 connectivity, and numerous USB-C connectors. Volvo On Call. This function will enable remote vehicle status checks. Roadside assistance, 360-degree camera.